Hyderabad, yes, of course, it's the first robotic equipment. There are many in the other side of the city, but E area robotic equipment was lacking, and we are the first to start in this North Hyderabad, and we feel so proud and we so special. And in the robotic surgery, it's highly advanced. And when we were planning to buy it, whatever we buy, we will see to it that it is used for plus 10 to 15 years down the lane. So it should be highly advanced. So it is just a beginning, because I think robotics are not only just in knee replacements, are in other surgeries too. So our aim is to get robotic surgery. Every department is our entire goal in coming 1 year. So this is, I hope I fulfill this, and not only just orthopedic surgeons, we make all the surgeons happy, right? So the way man makes acting easy on the screen, robotics make surgery easy in the operation theatre, right? So this is a comparison I could give my best. So there is many more, and yes, of course, Malari Vishwavidyapeeth are deemed to be university. We just got this university, we got to stay this 15 days back. It's an absolute proud moment for, of course, the dynamic leadership of Sri Malari Garu. Adevidanga, my husband, Dr. Bhadrareddy Garu, the chairman of LCT and Vishwavidyapeeth, and myself, we all have been working for this. And finally the goal is reached, but after Vishwavidyapeeth, it's something which we started new. So what's the best part? How I can relate robotics to Vishwavidyapeeth is, we have a course. Everyone is talking about deemed university status. Yes, of course. But let me tell you, it's a deemed university in distinct category. So distinct category means introduction of new, innovative, emerging courses in our education system. Introducing artificial intelligence, that is AI, into education, and so on, like AI into healthcare. As we can see, this is a perfect example of artificial intelligence and machine learning in healthcare, and many more to come. Our hospital is, we are giving an advanced technology, but with an absolute, affordable, and an acceptable price for the patients. That is what we believe in. There might be other hospitals, another city where they can have an advanced technology, but giving it in an affordable way, in an affordable cost price, is what makes us absolutely special. So quality healthcare with not getting, over and above the cost from your not being too expensive is the entire idea, and I think we are the unique that makes us stand very, very unique. So this entire credit goes to the team, to the administrators, and thank you so much to the media who have come here to take the coverage, and I hope you promote us well. Thank you so much. Manpower for people to assist them. Like we have surgeons, of course, they are very well versed, they have done their fellowships, they have been trained under this. But what if they need a technical support? Do we have people who have certified courses of robotics? Very few. We have seen that in the hospitals where already robotics are there, the nurses or the other people have been trained under robotics to help them, to assist you. Why not have an MSc Medical Robotics, which we have already got the approval from UGC for this academic year in our campus. So, in coming future, in 2 years down the lane, it's not only just getting advanced technology, but also giving them skilled manpower to assist them to do robotic surgeries better than before. So that's an entire aim. So finally, I would like to say that in this campus, it is not only about healthcare, but it's also about the best advanced education which we can give. So we feel proud that we are advancing in everything, in education, in healthcare, and of course we are coming up with a new block, and that is, I think it's most required. I think by next year or in 2, we will be coming with an exclusive corporate hospitals for all of them, and most importantly, the most natural actors. There are very few. I think ma'am We are really a fan of yours, and we are so glad to have you today in our hospital to promote robotic surgeries. Thank you, ma'am. And along with this, we have, of course, the chances. I would actually give, I want to say you all convey today that I'm so thankful to be associated with you and you all associated with us, and the way we are raising the hospital year by year, month by month, is absolutely amazing. So thank you to the entire team.
ఇప్పుడు ఆపరేషన్ లేకుండానే మోకాళ్లకు ప్లాస్మా ట్రీట్మెంట్, మీ ఆర్థోపెటిక్ సమస్యలన్నిటికీ రోబోటిక్ టెక్నాలజీ ద్వారా తక్కువ ఖర్చుతో శాశ్వత పరిష్కారం, ఫ్రీ కన్సల్టేషన్, ప్రతి ట్రీట్మెంట్ పై 20% డిస్కౌంట్. ఈ ఆఫర్ కొద్ది రోజులు మాత్రమే, త్వరపడండి. V9 హాస్పిటల్స్ 9281465842.